Have you ever met someone new and they asked, "So, what do you do?" And suddenly, your brain just stopped working?
Or maybe in an interview they asked, "Tell me about your studies." And you said something like, "I am doing, I read in college. I study."
Don't worry. Today, we are going to fix that.
Yes. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about your job or studies in English, confidently, naturally, and like a fluent speaker.
And we'll give you real-life examples for interviews, classrooms, and first meetings. Let's imagine this situation. You are at a wedding. Someone smiles and says, "So, what do you do?"
This is not the time to panic. You just need a simple three-step formula. The three-step job formula. Say your job title. Say where you work. Say what you do. Simple explanation.
Instead of saying, "I am working in office," say, "I work as a marketing assistant at a software company. I help manage social media and create content for clients."
See? Simple, clear, professional.
I'm a high school English teacher. I teach grammar and communication skills to teenagers.
Notice something? No complicated vocabulary. Just clarity.
I'm a freelance graphic designer. I create logos and social media designs for small businesses.
Let's fix some common mistakes students make. I am doing job. I have a job. Or, I work as a. I am working in bank. I work at a bank. My work is very hard. My job can be challenging.
Small corrections, big difference. Now let's move to students. Imagine your teacher says, "Tell us about your studies." Don't say, "I am study in university."
Please don't. The three-step study formula. What you study, where you study, why you chose it / your future goal.
I'm studying computer science at Lahore University. I chose this field because I'm interested in technology and problem solving. I hope to become a software developer.
That sounds confident and clear.
I'm in 12th grade and I'm focusing on biology and chemistry. I want to pursue medicine in the future.
I'm studying business administration. I'm especially interested in marketing and entrepreneurship because I want to start my own company someday.
See the pattern? Present to interest to future goal.
Now let's level up. In interviews, they don't just want your job title. They want confidence and clarity. So instead of saying, "I work in sales," say, "I work as a sales executive at a retail company. My main responsibility is helping customers choose the right products and achieving monthly sales targets."
Add responsibility. Add impact. I recently graduated in accounting. During my studies, I completed 2 internships where I learned financial reporting and data analysis. I'm now looking for an opportunity to grow professionally.
That sounds professional, structured, and impressive.
In casual situations, keep it short. Example: I'm a university student studying psychology. I work in IT. I'm currently preparing for competitive exams.
No need to give your life story at a birthday party.
Fluent speakers don't just share facts, they add feeling. Instead of, "I study engineering," say, "I study engineering and I really enjoy solving technical problems." Instead of, "I work in HR," say, "I work in HR and I love interacting with different people every day."
When you add emotion, you sound natural.
Pause this video and answer this question in English. What do you do or study? Why did you choose it? What is your goal?
Write your answer in the comments. We read them.
Today you learned how to talk about your job or studies using simple, clear English.
Remember the formulas. For job to title plus place plus responsibility. For studies to subject plus institution plus goal.
Confidence doesn't come from big vocabulary.
It comes from clear structure.
Practice this 5 times in front of a mirror.
Or record yourself on your phone.
And if this video helped you,
Like it.
subscribe to English Dominator.
And comment below. I can introduce my work confidently.
See you in the next video.